Hey guys, I haven't done my makeup in like a month, I would say, maybe even longer, and I just felt like doing my makeup today, and I'm going to be doing a spring makeup look. Most of the products I'll be using today is going to be by Colourpop. I'm going to write down below what the products are, and the only thing that isn't Colourpop is going to be these things. Lano Lips, Revlong Brow Tint in the Freck. So let's just get right into it. So I have a clean, fresh face, and what I always like to do before I do my makeup is I always put moisturizer on. So this is the Fresh moisturizer. And of course, like, I've had no pimples lately, and I was gonna film this video a couple days ago, and then I just kept getting sidetracked. But regardless, like, I had this pimple show up a couple days ago. Like, it's like it knew I wanted to do a makeup look. I'm not even sure, but so there. Yeah, I always like to do moisturizer because it always makes my skin feel fresh and ready. So the next thing I'm going to do is cover that pimple with this Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I don't think I've really used this very much. I haven't really been wearing that much makeup lately, to be honest. Even before this whole 1 month hiatus. But yeah, lately I've been kind of like owning like the dark circles and just the natural pigmentation on my skin and not really overly worrying about it, you know? Okay. Just doing a tiny bit. That's what we got so far. I think I'm gonna go for this color, and it's called Don't Leave, and it's an ultra metallic Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. Remember from my haul I did? I was wanting to do a more matte look, but I'm just gonna lightly take a tiny bit because I just want to do like a light wash of color. Just wanted to barely be there. I think we were all in kind of a pigmentation craze for the last few years with the makeup industry, and it's kind of refreshing to see light faces and not so heavy-handed makeup looks. That's just me anyways. Okay, so this I think I might do a tad bit more. Okay, next we're going to do brows, I'm thinking. So I'm just kind of going light-handed, like I said, so my brows are just, I think I'm just gonna do the arch. Just a tad bit of definition. I don't want to do an overdone brow. Just lightly using this slight bit of residue right there. Okay, let's dip back in for the other eyebrow. See, it's just a little tad bit. Okay. Let's do a little bit of a run through right there where I put the residue. Okay. I was debating whether or not I should do freckles yet. I usually use my little freckle dabber thing more in the summertime, but maybe I just wanted to do a tad, little bit. You just kind of dab it on and then you, with the applicator, and then I always usually go through with my finger and dab over. I think that's going to be good for today. I'm being pretty quiet today right now anyways. I've had a headache for days. I just have been getting headaches for the past 3 weeks and it's been hard. And I just watched the documentary called Planet of Humans. It makes me really reflect. I've already been reflecting, but it still makes me think about how we can be better humans. Oh yes, so Colourpop mascara. So I think people, like YouTubers, need to do some work too by not making everyone go out and buy like the newest palette and buy, consume. We need to be resourceful. I think this mascara is done for. And would I buy this mascara again? I'm not really sure. It doesn't really give much of a curl to it. It got really clumpy fast. As you can see, I didn't like how it was always gathering up. And I didn't really feel like it was doing much for my lashes. So at first I thought this was alright, but I don't think I'd get it again. Next, we're going to do some blush. Now, this is the blush sticks, and this is color 25-8, I guess it's called. I'm gonna do a tiny bit. My cheeks are already pink, but this is a makeup playing day. Even though I have nowhere to go, I already went on my walk today. Went on a rainy bike ride yesterday and it was so much fun. Went with the kids. There was like nobody out, so it made you feel good about the social distancing thing. Okay, next I was going to use the Colourpop Lippy Stick in the color Runaway. And now what I was going to do was, sorry, just hold on, there's a bit of stuff on here. I was going to lightly dab. It's like super dried out. And then really rub it. Kind of like that. Now you could leave it like that. Just do like a matte kind of lip tint, but I don't know, I kind of want to use the tinted lip balm over top. Lena lips. That might have been too much. So this is the final makeup look. I didn't really cover my pimple very good, but here you go. And oh yeah, I was gonna show you guys what I was wearing today. This dress. Isn't it cute? It's kind of like the cherry blossoms, kind of for the spring type of season we're in. And I've had this for many years. I thrifted it probably like, I'd say 8 years ago. But it kind of has like a Japanese type of feel to it. It's like thin. I didn't take this on my walk. I wore exercise clothes and then changed into it when I got home, but thought it'd be perfect to wear for this makeup look because I've been wearing sweatpants and pajamas for days, so it was nice to wear something kind of nice. And yeah, I was kind of debating whether or not I'm going to, I know I just put on all this makeup, but I have this Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm that I've wanted to try, but I haven't put any makeup on to even try it. So if you were just here to watch just the putting on of makeup, you might not want to stick around, but if you want to watch me take it off and see if this product's any good, just keep watching. Alright, so let's get into this. So this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I haven't even opened this up yet. So it looks like that. The lid off. Oh my god. Jesus. Okay, that comes off. And we're left with this stuff that I accidentally just jabbed my finger in right away. So, oh, what does it say to do? It doesn't really give any directions. Okay, I had to just Google what to do because I was like weirded out by this. Like, I thought about it when I bought it. I'm like, how do I even use this? So I had to like look it up of what you have to do. So basically, I think you take the balm, you rub it in your hands to warm it up. You add water, and then, or you rub it on your face, and then you add water, and then you wash it off your face. So I thought maybe I should put my hair up for this. And I think too, before I do this, I'm going to wipe my glossy lips off with some toilet paper. Even just the lightly stained look with this looks pretty. Okay, so let's take this balm, like I said, grab some in your finger. Let's see how much it is for this. And then it kind of looks shiny. Just put it on my face. It's feeling like there isn't a scent, but it smells like vegetable grease. Okay. This isn't what I was expecting. It's what you expect French fries to smell like. Okay, so we're just rubbing this around. Getting the makeup off my pimple. Eyebrows. I think this is safe for your eye area. So, gonna go like this, get that. Probably gonna look like a mess. I think we just add water and see what happens. Okay, here's how we're looking so far. Not too springy anymore. Okay, I'm gonna grab some more. This is me dipping in for some more. Rubbing it again. And it's just mostly my eyes that need to get it again, so rub it again. Alright. It mostly took everything off, I'd say. Like if I really wanted to get, oh, my vision's a little fuzzy after that. Yeah, it's pretty good. See, pimple is back. My vision feels a little bit like fuzzy though from using this. Maybe I did get a little bit in my eye. I don't know, this stuff's okay, like I'm obviously gonna use it. It's kind of like an eerie feeling though. It's like the shortening that you'd melt to like cook fries. I keep thinking fries. And this is also the first Clinique skincare product I've ever used, or any product I've used before. So yeah, and my skin, it does feel nice. Like it doesn't feel dried out. It feels nice. I don't know, it's alright if you get past the French fry smell. So yeah, okay, well, I wasn't expecting to do a mini review at the end of this spring makeup look, but I just kind of thought it'd be fun as I was thinking about it. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe if you would like. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Bye.